Today we are gonna fold a squid plane. It could fly very, very well. And, ooh, what squid plane? Are you lonely? Yes? Okay, guys, we have a new mission. We've got a mission. So, we need this squid plane's friend. Squid plane, you stay here, and I'll fold you a friend. So guys, what you need is a pen and colored paper. First, you get your colored paper, flip your colored paper so the colored side goes down. Now, you fold the paper in half. Like this. And unfold it. Now, you get the right upside, your right here, your right up point to meet the center. And your left top corner to meet the center too. Now, you get this part, almost the middle, right middle side, the right side to meet this middle line, and the left side to meet the middle line too. Like this. Now, you flip it over and you get the point, the top corner here, to fold it down almost like this and flip it over again. Now, you fold it in half like this. And turn it to its side. And then you get one layer of paper and fold it outside almost like this. Yeah, like this. And you flip it over. The left side goes the same. Like this. And you open them up like this. And voila! That's your plane. You get your pen now. And you could draw some marks on it. Like, like this. You dry like this. Voila! And Squid Buddy, you have your own friend. Oh yeah, and finally, if you could fling them out, you get it almost here, and you draw it, and it could fly like this. You should do it outside. Okay guys, now, thanks for watching, and please hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!